Lefty, how does it feel that you're a useless side character? Shut up, cookies. You spend your whole life trying to impress your daddy. Oh yeah? You spend your whole...
Progressive tell them to do things against their wheezy fascist dictator. Hell now, Obama, stay mad.
You guys, I'm gonna go back to the moon orbiter and start working on the farm. I put some rockets in the chest.
Damage reduction and a clock. I can keep 3 entire plants alive.
Michael helped turn your ideas. It's who I did it.
This entire video. How many did you grab?
About 13.
You grabbed 13 pairs of pants for a 10-minute video? We have to shit yourself. Tell me for a minute to go too long.
Okay, fellas. 5 a.m. Don't just... Yep. Fine, what the hell is...
Isn't it great? It's a fun game that Liza found for us to play.
He's cursed as hell.
I spent all of my money on the greatest lawyers, so I'm broke now. But they're the best lawyers anyone has ever seen. Believe me, they're standing up to the fake news media and the corrupt Democrats who are trying to steal the election from me. How much you're supposed to do $1 billion? Hell now, Obama, stay mad.
You guys, I'm gonna go back to the moon orbiter and